Okay guys, so here is how to replace the faucet on the kegerator. I couldn't really find a good video on YouTube, so I thought I'm gonna throw one in there. And this is about 17 years old kegerator, and I already purchased it used, so it's more than that. And this thing is already not working very well. It's pouring a beer like pretty much just a foam and leaking. It just need to be replaced. So this is what I had to do. I had to get WD-40. I could not just unscrew the nut. I had to spray the WD-40 around it and into these little pinholes. You will see, not pinholes, but little holes here. And then I got these two pliers and I knock on it like this. All around, just a little bit. Not too hard. Okay. Then you get a one channel lock like this, and one channel lock like this, pretty much. And this is how you loosen it, like that. Okay? Like I said, I already have it loose. So this is how you loosen the nut. And this is when you're going to get out of it. You can purchase this part on Amazon for about 15 bucks, roughly. Depends, you know, what kind you want. If you want a stainless steel or brass or whatever. Between maybe 15 to 20 bucks, roughly. But I already had one here, because I have multiple kegerators, not only one. So I'm just going to unscrew the nut here. You just want to make sure that the seal here, there is a seal inside, rubber seal, or actually the original one has some kind of plastic seal. I can't even tell, but I know that I replaced this one and it was already broken. So I put in a rubber seal just from a Home Depot that fits in there. And what you're gonna do, you just press it in kind of straight and tighten the nut. Okay? Now of course you want to make sure that you want to disconnect the tap from the keg first. I'm gonna tighten this slightly. Let's see. Might have to tighten it more, but for now I think that's good. And let me just get something to pour the beer in. I'm gonna engage the tap again. You want to shut this, right? And I do keep it under pretty high pressure. So if it's not leaking, that is good. I'm going to repressurize a little bit. And I do have a Pilsner Urquell inside. Wow, this pours beautifully. Let me get a glass. Fantastic. Okay, I know you're going to say this is too much foam, but this is the European style. This is not an American beer, okay? So, I got a new tap. This one probably is going to go in the trash. Like I said, I already purchased another one. So anyway, cheers!